How to remove connected apps for your or from your Google account just in some seconds on your device. For this, what we have to do is simply open the Google Chrome in front of you and click on the app manager of your Google account. From here, you have to click on the account section and it will redirect you to the main Google account page. From there, you can manage your account. After that, you have to click on the security setting on the left fourth option and scroll to the bottommost corner of the screen. And here you can read your connections to the third party apps. Click on it one by one. Whenever you will click on any apps, you can see that how many apps are connected with my account right now. So here I will click on the application and scroll to the down. You can see details for it, and yes, finally there is option to delete all connections that you have with your website. That is mine for Binance, and you can delete any of the website you want. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos, updates and reviews like this. This is how you can do it.